Hi everybody, this is attorney Russell Araya at Ramos Law Firm. Thank you so much for joining us for another episode of Let's Talk Insurance. Today we're going to be talking about what happens when you're involved in an accident and you have passengers in your car. How does an insurance company pay all of your medical bills? Stick around. So let's say you're in an auto accident and you're the one who's been hit by a responsible driver and you have a passenger in your vehicle. Now, the two of you have been injured, you have medical bills, you've lost some work. Who's going to pay for each of your bills? Well, assuming the driver who hit you has insurance, that insurance policy is going to pay for your medical bills as well as the medical bills for your passenger. Additionally, the insurance company will pay out any compensation for your pain, suffering, impairment, and lost wages. Now, let's assume that there isn't enough money with that defendant driver's policy. You can use your MedPay coverage as well, assuming you have any. Now, let's say, for example, you have $5,000 in MedPay coverage. That MedPay coverage can be used whether you're at fault or not. Let's say you have $5,000 worth of coverage under that policy. Well, $5,000 is going to be made available to you, and another $5,000 will be made available to your passenger. And you can use that to pay for any medical bills or out-of-pocket medical expenses that are related to the accident. Now, let's assume that the bodily injury insurance policy that the defendant driver has and the MedPay coverage that you have aren't enough to pay for all of your medical bills and additional expenses. Well, assuming you have underinsured motorist coverage, that policy will then kick in to pay for your medical bills, your passenger's medical bills, as well as any other compensation, again, for your pain, suffering, impairment, and lost wages. I hope that helps. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time on Let's Talk Insurance.